Okay, so the trunk, repeat, the trunk works like a hose. Great. So then we're going to skip it and write drinks water. So the elephant can use the trunk to drink water. Veronica.
It's where you did it. It's where.
Wait for everyone to be in slant. I can't believe I have to keep redirecting you. Zion.
June.
All right.
An elephant can lift a.
Hold on. We're not ready yet. Go.
An elephant can lift a tree or pick up a flower with its trunk.
Let's all read it together. Did you know? An elephant can lift a tree or pick a flower with its trunk. We have underlined multiple pieces of text evidence that will help us answer this question. Let's read it again. How does an elephant use its trunk? Now you have 3 minutes. You are reading the entire time, then we're calling on a group for the protocol. Begin reading. If your partner's not here, read by yourself. And Malachi and Kyrie are reading together. She's sleeping.
Zaire. Who's your partner? Zion. Come on, maybe you should be started already.
Alyssa, move up. Because I heard an actual time. Scoop up. Alyssa, move up. It's falling out.
Can somebody knock it
Don't
off?
turn it on. Don't turn it on.
Yeah, turn it
Turn it
on.
off, please.
Turn it off, press it.
I'm just pushing it in. I don't know how long it had, but it was falling out.
Zion and Dynasty. Mr. Stone, I am here.
Run already and
I decided to start writing this.
One of the interesting part of an elephant is its long trunk and elephant trunk is its nose and upper lip joined together into a special shape. An elephant can use its trunk like a hand to pick up fruit or other objects. The trunk works like a hose when an elephant drinks water or gives himself a shower. A trunk can even work like a snorkel, helping an elephant breathe underwater. Even though an elephant trunk has no bones, but it has dozens of muscles, an elephant can lift a tree or pick a flower with its trunk. How does an elephant use its trunk? The elephant uses its trunk so he can pick up food and
Hold
so
on.
he can.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Is that you? Come here. Now.
What's he doing?
Hold on. Keep going, you two.
An elephant uses its trunk so he can breathe underwater and pick up food.
Can you start over? A little louder, please.
How? Wait, read the text.
The protocol.
How does an elephant use its trunk? An elephant uses its trunk so he can pick up food and.
Can we stop? I would like you to start with according to the text. Go ahead.
According to the text, an elephant uses its trunk so he can pick up food and so he can take a shower and so he can breathe underwater. I heard you say, according to the text, is that an elephant uses its trunk so he can breathe underwater and he can pick up food and other objects and he can give himself a shower. I was about to agree because a trunk use an elephant trunk help is like a hand so he can pick up food and his trunk can also be a snorkel so if a predator comes the elephant can squish him so the predator won't hurt him again. Thank you for listening.
Table 3. I'll wait. Am I in like a time warp? Am I back to preschool? Who cares? Hey, guess what? Get a new one.
Pencils.
Sit and slant right now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Zion,
Just sit down. Sit down.
It's just a pencil. You don't even erase it.
I don't know what's in the water today, but it's like so annoying. Ugh. Ugh. Thank you for the excellent protocol. I'm going to move the text over to the board. You can reference.
Really?
Thank you.
Yep.
You were sitting in slant, that wouldn't have been a problem. So you can reference the text evidence we've underlined. 2 paragraphs. Answering the question, my inference. Now, what I wrote in green are sentence starters you can use for both of the paragraphs, okay? So to begin, oops, I forgot my comments. To begin, an elephant uses its trunk in numerous ways. Everyone say numerous.
Numerous.
Whisper it. Clap it.
Numerous.
Based on the context of that sentence, what do you think numerous means? What do you think numerous means?
I think
Alfonso.
numerous means a lot.
Great. Numerous is synonymous with many, various, a lot. So, to begin, an elephant uses its trunk in numerous ways. According to the text, an elephant uses its trunk to pick up food or other objects. In addition, which means also, the trunk works like a hose, such that an elephant can give itself a shower or have a drink of water. Lastly, the trunk acts as a snorkel, helping an elephant breathe underwater. Have you lost your mind? Paragraph 2, I'm linking my ideas with moreover, an elephant can lift a tree or pick up a flower with its trunk. Therefore, I conclude an elephant's trunk is quite strong. I conclude is synonymous with I infer. In the text, did it say the trunk was strong?
No. Yes.
Did it say the word strong?
Yes.
Where?
No. I think that's at the bottom.
Where does it say that?
Now, an elephant can lift a tree with its. Well, it stands his trunk is strong, but it doesn't. No, it says.
Everyone read Did You Know? Go.
Did you know an elephant trunk is shallow, but it has an elephant can lift a tree or pick a flower with its trunk.
In the text, did it specifically say the elephant's trunk is strong?
Yes. No. Yes.
Where does it say that in the text?
It doesn't say that. No.
Read it again. So, did it say strong?
No.
Bring me your text and show me. Point to the word in your text. Can you do that? Yes or no? Okay. Veronica, can you do that? Yes or no? Does it say strong in your text?
It doesn't say strong. But
Okay,
it says
great. Does it say strong? Yes or no?
Yes.
Does it say this word?
No.
Okay, so yes or no, did the author say strong?
No.
No. So again, did you read this word in the text?
No.
No. Which is why that is an inference. An inference is an idea that I develop as a reader that comes from the text. This part, the elephant can pick up a tree or a flower with its trunk, is from the text. But what I concluded or inferred is that the trunk must be really strong. As readers, we're constantly reading in between the lines and coming up with our own ideas based off of what the text says. An inference doesn't come directly from the text. You won't see it printed there. It comes from here. Do you understand what I'm saying now?
Yeah.
Right. So when you're making your inferences, you use the text, but then you write your own idea. So that was a really good teachable moment there. I like that. So I'm going to underline or highlight my inference. So let's read it together. I conclude an elephant's trunk is quite strong. This part was not in the text. I developed my inference or conclusion based on this part of the text in the Did You Know section of the text feature. An inference comes from here. You use the text to make your conclusion. This word was not printed in the text. What was printed was the text evidence above, which makes me think of this word. We use the text to come up with this word. We use the text to come up with this inference. Okay? So to get a 4, you have to answer the question and create an inference that is a statement or a conclusion based off of the text. It cannot be, I infer an elephant's trunk, or I infer how does an elephant sleep. Again, we talked about that. That was the non-example. That's a question. Yes?
Do we have a word that we have to add in our sentence that we have to try to add in our sentence?
Today, if you want, you could try to use habitat. You could try to use survival, trunk. That is obviously a given. Some of the other vocabulary words that we were learning about elephants, I don't think they necessarily fit. Ivory was applicable yesterday, but today I don't see those vocabulary words really fitting, but if you can use habitat, that would be great.